Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Super excited because we have a Wantable to open today. Love me, my Wantables. They've been getting better and better. Hi, if you're new, I'm Laura. Wyatt is the white puppy dog. He's the one hanging out with me. But if you happen to see a kitty, that's Harvey. And if you see a tan puppy dog, that is Sienna. We sure hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. All right, so Wantable is a styling service. You get 7 items. If you keep 5 or more, you get 20% off. And let's see, if there's a $20 styling fee, it does come off anything that you keep. They do have a stream where you can request items or decline them, get your stylist to know your style, and you have a good chance of getting the items that you put on your wish list. So the ones that you request. And there's 3 different edits you can choose from: a style edit, a sleep and body edit, and an active edit. So lots of options to choose from, plus they have a ton of themed edits. So when you open your box, here's what you're going to see. On the flaps, it tells you what to do. You get a personalized sticker. And for this one, I believe this is just my regular style box. So I somehow got signed back up for the monthly boxes, and I let it roll. I was like, that's fine with me. So right here on the top, it'll tell you this is your style edit. There's notes from your stylist in here, as well as your pricing sheet. So you get a bag to try anything you don't love and don't want to keep. And let's check out my bundle. All right, you can tell we are getting into some cooler weather styles. Let's do this. All right. I can never rip my sticker. First up, oh no. I wonder if that came from the... So this is a Z Supply top, which I love. However, check that out. Wonder how they missed that. See all the marks on there? And this is so cute. So I'll have to exchange that out. I don't know if it's from the paper, from the box, from someone trying it on, but this is adorable. I love this. I have tanks in this same style by Z Supply, and I love it. Next up, I have something else from Z Supply. Oh, this is adorable. It's a sweater with the love on it. That is super cute. Then I have the Quinn cigarette jeans by Hidden. How cute are those? This is more of a straighter leg. Does have distressing at the knee, which I don't mind. As long as they're not completely shredded, I'm good. I like these. They're a little bit more slim fitting than the ones I showed in my probably last box, which were a wider leg. Those are cute. Then we have another Z Supply top. This is a sweatshirt that says under the palms, watch the sun. How cute is that? That is adorable. And then I have another sweater by Z Supply. This one is the Sawyer striped pullover sweater in blue. How pretty is that? That's adorable. I like that. Okay, 2 more items. Oh, I have a Liverpool jacket. This is so cute. This is so cute. I think, did I not get this from from JB Style Box? This one is so cute. Is it the same one? I think it is. What is the name of this one? This one is called, it's by Liverpool. And it's called the Sherpa Collar Trucker Jacket. I think I did. This is so cute. How cute is that? That Sherpa on the inside. That's adorable. And then the last item is by C&B Scene. And it is called the Soft Scuba Knit Cropped Wide Leg Pant in Olive. These are very, very soft and cozy. My stylist is Jordan, and she says, for this order, I've selected some stylish pieces that perfectly align with your love for elevated casual looks. The cozy pullover sweater in a lovely blue stone is a great pick for the upcoming weather. It pairs wonderfully with light blue skinny jeans for a simple yet chic everyday outfit. You'll also adore the relaxed sweatshirt featuring fun palm tree graphics, which looks fantastic with denim for a laid-back vibe. Make sure to let me know what you think of the selections. If you haven't checked out the stream yet, I highly recommend it for more style inspiration. Let's dig into this. First outfit. All right. So it's actually an 80-degree day out, but these are some perfect fall transition pieces I'm loving. This trucker jacket by Liverpool is amazing. I did get it in another box and already kept it, so it was a good choice because I love it. If I didn't already have it, I would I would be keeping it. Love this Sherpa trim around the collar, the buttons. It has some stretch in it, which is so nice. You can see where the Sherpa goes. Such a great jean jacket. I like it back to this green. These are really comfy green pants. It's perfect for like work from home, travel, weekend, walk the dog, all the things. I just put flip-flops on because I wanted you to see that this would be good with flats and what it would look like. But you could do a little bootie. You could do a tennis shoe. Super cute, right? You can see these pockets. Elastic waistband, paired perfectly with this top, so I'm going to want to exchange this top for sure by Z Supply with the V-neck and the nice form fitting. It's double layered, and I would need an extra small, which is what I have on, just to make sure that it's not too low cut. I love this fabric. This reminds me of the White House Black Market form tops. It fits that nicely. So cute. All right, so for the Avala long sleeve So Smooth top in white by Z Supply, $69. For the Sherpa colored trucker jacket by Liverpool, $129. I was wearing an extra small. I'm wearing an extra small in this. And then for the soft scuba knit cropped wide leg pant in olive by C and B Scene, I'm wearing a small, $89. Super cute, right? Another way to wear this would be with this sweater, like the black and white with the olive green. You can put on your flats, again, tennis shoes. Nice, comfy outfit for all the things. This comes down to right about where your butt starts to curve. Here's what it looks like. See, it's just like right around, it's lower than here's where the waistband is, if I can get these words out. The waistband is here. It's like about another 2 or 3 inches below that. It's a nice lightweight, perfect for transitioning, throwing over top of a tank. Just very, very cute. I like this. What do you think? Yeah, I like the black and white too. You could also layer, it's thin enough that you could layer it. You could put something on top of it. This is called the Sienna Love Sweater in black. I'm wearing an extra small by Z Supply, $59. All right, so now I have on the hidden denim and the Z Supply sweatshirt. How cute is this sweatshirt? This would also pair back nicely to the green pants. She had suggested denim, but I think it would go nicely with this whole relaxed look with the green pants. Okay, so this is a really great loose-fitting sweatshirt. You can see lots of room. Love the colors in this. I did a front tuck, but you could do wearing it out as well. Here's what it looks like out. Just a very cozy, comfy look, paired back to these hidden denim. So I'm noticing that more and more the denim is becoming more form-fitting again. I've been so used to wearing the wider leg, everything feels tight on me. But actually these fit very nicely. I'm kind of enjoying a little bit of the knee showing. They're a really nice length for me, and the hidden denim is always so soft, so comfy that I'm really enjoying these for something different, since all I wear is the wide leg anymore. What do you think? I like this light wash, which I have been enjoying the lighter washes lately. Yeah, I think this whole look is quite cute. All right, so for these pieces, the Under the Palm sweatshirt in Sea Salt by Z Supply, I'm wearing an extra small, $69. The Quinn cigarette jeans in medium light wash by Hidden are on sale from $94 to $70.50. So not a bad price point. Plus we get the extra 20% off. Not bad. Last item is the Z Supply sweater. Love it in these blues with that little bit of tan in there. It's going to go with so much. Really pairs nicely with the denim. The sleeves are a little long on me, as you can see here. It kind of covers my hand. I did a little cuff over here, and that works perfectly. It's got a little bit of a wider arm. So I really like that. It's so, so soft. I wish you could feel this. So it feels like a nice cozy on a cooler day. It does have the little slits here on the side. So I just did a little front tuck. You could do a full tuck. Really cute back to the jeans, right? What do you guys think? Colors are really nice. I like this. So this one is called the Sawyer Stripe Pullover Sweater in Bluestone by Z Supply. I'm wearing an extra small. This one is also on sale from $79 to $59.25. So for all 7 pieces, $544.75. If I keep 5 or more, 20% off. So 20% off all is $108.95. Plus minus my $20 styling fee brings all 7 pieces down to $415.80. I can tell you I really loved everything. I thought that the whole collection was fabulous. I obviously don't need the jacket because I did already keep it. So that would take $129 off that total. And then I want to exchange the Z Supply white top because I really liked that and would love to get 20% off of it, but I'll need a different one, so I'll have to see if I can exchange that. But the rest of it I thought was really great, so let me know what you think. I'll list all these items down below as always. Share your favorites. I'll put my link to Wantable as well. If you use my link, you'll get money towards your first box. This was so much fun. I think my stylist really, really works hard to listen to my likes. So I've been saying I really like Z Supply. I like Dear John. I like Cut. Like, I've been sharing what's brands that I really like, and my boxes have gotten better and better and better. All right. Please comment down below. Let me know what you thought the keepers were. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye, everybody.